How to create a web page with Moodle. Moodle is a virtual platform that provides very useful resources in order to enhance your English teaching. Moodle is for free. However, you need a host in order to share with your students all the activities that you have designed for them. To do so, we are going to use this web page, nomio.com. In nomio.com, you have to register. Is the first step. You fill in the blank all the information they are asking for and activate your site. They are going to ask more specifications about what you want to do with your virtual platform, and they are going to give you some advices. However, we are going to do this faster. I have already created one. Is this one? Cheers 2011.nomio.com. In this case, what we are interested in is in create courses. So this is the site administration. You are going to be the administrator of your virtual platform. Click on courses, and we are going to click on add and edit courses. You are going to find here that there are some categories. The first category is course miscellaneous, The second category I have already created, but you can create more categories in order to organize your virtual classrooms. We are going to work with one that I have already done it. Here it is virtual classrooms. With this, in this virtual classroom, you can see that I have decided to work in topics. Those are some specifications that we have to handle and choose when we are creating this. I have 5 topics and I can organize it as I like it. We have here in this part the resources. The resources are those things that give information to your students in order to do some things. For example, a label or a web page, or you can include also external helps, for example, websites or files, by doing click here. The most important for us is the creation of our own material. For this reason, we are going to use activities. You can explore each one of the activities here. However, we are going to use, or we have used in the presentation, the quizzes, and also we have used the glossary, and here the survey. Those are some of the activities that you can design, you can use for your students with the information that you have worked during the classes, the regular classes. You can explore, you can design whatever you want here, right? We are going to do the following thing. We are going to examine an example of a quiz. Do click here in quiz. We can give the name of the quiz. We are going to write quiz number 1 and then introduce whatever we want. We are going to give the specifications we want. If you want to open it or close it in certain dates, you can do that. If you want to give them time, you can do that. I'm going to give here 10 minutes and other specifications. I'm going to recommend you that read all the specifications. You can click here and they're going to explain what is each one of the specifications for. The feedback, security, if you want to give them a password, it is possible. And we are going to click here, save and display. Once you have created the first quiz, they are going to give you the possibility to create the questions. You can choose whatever kind of questions. We are going to do a very easy one, that it is a multiple choice question. Give the name of the question, and write the text. This is the question. As this is a multiple choice, you have several alternatives. Here is the choice number 1, in which you are going to write the alternatives, and you are going to give it a grade. If it is not, it's because it is not true. But in this case, it is true. You are going to give them the 100% because this is the correct answer. You can choose, or you can add as many questions, as many possibilities as you want. It is up to you. It is up to the design of your activity. Save changes. We have here the question, and click here to add the question to our quiz. In this magnifier, you can see the question, the example of the question. What is the capital of Colombia? And you have the alternative A, then the alternative B. When you choose alternative B, and this is the example. And that's correct. Close the preview, and this is the way that you can create a quiz. You can explore as many things as you want, as many resources. You can create many things. You can use, for example, videos on YouTube in order to do your activities, or other resources that you prefer, for example, images, etc., etc.